Today we're about to do an O2 sensor p0141 on this i30. It's O2 sensor bank 1 sensor 2. Let me show you where it is first. Okay, let's go under. This is where it is. This will be bank 1 sensor 2 right here, right in front of you. As you see, I follow this wire to get to the connector. Okay, so this one, don't get confused, would be bank 2 sensor 2. And there's another one that's up there. I don't know if you see. Whatever, it's up there on the header, and that will be bank 2 sensor 1. And bank 1 sensor 1 will be right here. That's sensor 1. That's bank 1 sensor 1 for the bank 1. So this will be right here. Bank 1 sensor 2. You see how this thing looks like it's not gonna come out, but we have to take it out. So we're gonna put some fire on there and try to twist it off. Okay, because you're not trying to strip this bolt. Once you strip it and you try to rethread it and it doesn't rethread, you will need this whole thing here. Okay, so let's get it. Before I even start anything, I like taking the sensor connector off. Make sure it matches. Take off these. Yeah, this one right here. Should be one over here, but missing. Ah, shit. Drop that shit. Yeah, damn. Alright, get that out later. But anyways, the connector is right here. It's a white wire right here. This should be it. So, same thing. You see this thing? You got press down and release. Get your flathead. Press down on it. Once you hear a click, it should pop up. Okay, oh, shit, bent. Wow. Okay, it comes off. Now, you're gonna see this tab in there. You're gonna use a flathead, press it down, and pop it up. Should pop up. Just rotted in there. Okay, let's try to take it off. Okay, so if it's not coming off, I like prying it off, to be honest, or like breaking it, because we're not gonna use this no more. See, lucky, comes out. See, stuff like that. I'm gonna grease over here. I like to, sand it down a little bit with a wire brush and grease over here so it won't happen again. Because this thing was dry, man, dry. Anyways, leave that off. Oh, that's the wrong one we took off. Fuck, damn it. It's the red wire. We need the white one. So anyways, so same process. Take this off, and yeah. We gotta take this out the way, because the wiring, you'll see what I'm talking about. So let me take this off. Let's take this off over here. Okay. Got this up. Flathead. Okay. Oh shit. That one not being good. Oh yeah, got this a connector here. Disconnect that one. Push down on it. And take it out. Same thing with this one. Take it out. And it should pop off. Basically follow this white wire. It's connected. You see where it's connected? There. Take those off. yeah, get it loose. So this is frozen. I should have been heating this up while I was doing that thing upstairs, but you have a propane, this one, the yellow kind. Heat this up. Don't heat up the sensor. Don't heat up where the bolt goes, where it screws in, like over here. Okay, so the O2 sensor is stripped, so I use a fowler to put on there so I can fix the thread in there, and I put the O2 sensor. Okay, so all you have to do is connect the connector back, put everything all back together, put your connector, this is a new one right here, and that's it. Erase the code and drive it. If I help you out, give me a like and subscribe. Later.